Hi everyone, welcome to the Run Inno channel. As you can see, going to use artificial intelligence to change the character in a video and animate it. This is known as VFX. So don't forget to like and subscribe and stay with me until the end of the video. Artificial Intelligence Viggle. The website address is pinned in the first comment. You can use Viggle on your Android or iPhone and through Discord or directly on the website. I log in through the website. You can log in with a Gmail account. The page of the site has a simple environment. There are three main tools: Mix, Multi, and Move. In the Mix section, you upload your own character model, and on the left, you choose a video you want your character to mimic. The Multi section lets you place multiple characters into a pre-made video template. However, you'll need to choose the video template from their library. You can then upload each character individually. The Move section is the opposite of the Mix section, and you can animate your pick, control the move. I will now upload an image. The maximum file size for the image is 10 megabytes. For instance, I will upload this 3D model. The image has been successfully uploaded. I'll select a video on the right side. The video duration should not be more than 30 seconds. Instead of uploading a video, we can click on Template. And in this section, we can choose the desired video from the videos that the site provides to users. I'll choose this motion, and then I'll click Confirm at the bottom. In this section, the video background has three modes: original, green screen, and widescreen. I'll choose original, meaning the video background won't change. I'll click Create. Try to match the character model with the video. This time I'll upload a video from my system. The image I selected is from the video I just uploaded, but I made some changes using the Design AI that I trained earlier. You can click on the Design video above to watch it. The output isn't bad, but due to the low quality and the character's hands not being fully visible in the image, the AI couldn't identify them correctly. I'll try again by clicking Reuse and selecting a different character. Then I'll click Create to generate a new image. Let me quickly explain how to generate images using Design. After logging in, upload your image and choose the Image to Image option. Write a prompt and lower the structure match ratio. Then click Generate. This time the result is excellent. Just make sure the video and image you choose are high quality. To remove the watermark, you'll need a premium account. You can view and download your generated outputs from here. You can also access your created videos in the library section. Thank you for watching this video this far.